Forget program hassles forever. Automatic cutting edge detection is here. Imagine this, a camera mounted on your digital cutter captures your material in real time. Then, like magic, advanced software analyzes the image and finds the edge for you. No more struggling with program settings, the perfect cut path is set automatically. This means no more wasted time or material, just precise cuts, every single time. It's a revolution in digital cutting. Embrace the future. Learn more about automatic cutting edge detection today.